Hey, I just got these new heated overall bibs here, and I wanted to share some of the information about these because these things are totally awesome. They are super insulated. These are great for if you're doing workout in the fall time or winter time, if you're going out hunting, hiking, if you're going to be going skiing, shoveling snow, extreme outdoor work. These are the things that you need because they really help me out a lot. Let me show you some of the special features of them. First of all, very easy to put on. Just clasp and hook like that. Easily adjustable. You can tighten and loosen these in just seconds. The side here has this elastic, so it has extra room. And by the way, if you're wondering what size to buy, I just ordered the size that I normally would wear, and they easily fit over my existing clothes that I already had on. So even when you're going to be going out hunting, if you're going to be in a blind, anything like that, you want to make sure that you're staying warm. These things are definitely going to do the job. We all know when you're working outside or going hunting, that long walk sometimes to get to your blind or that work site can be very, very chilly. These are going to keep you warm. It has 3 different heat settings: a high mode, a medium, and a low. This has a nice thick material to it. Even without heating it, this has a nice insulation to it. The legs down here have this zipper to open up to make it wider if you have really big boots to put on. And then inside, you have this elastic piece around the ankle. It keeps it a lot tighter. And you don't have to worry about snow and everything getting up in there. You know, as far as pocket goes, it does have this bib pocket right here, which is nice and wide and deep, and you have your 2 pockets right here on the side. They all have zippers on them to keep everything nice and secure. And guys, even large winter gloves will fit easily into your pocket. You can keep it nice and secure, not going to lose anything. There's this nice large strap here on the side. Makes it easy for holding tools. You know, the nice thing is these are actually very easy to wash. Just remove the battery, tuck the cord in the pocket, zip it up, and now you can put it in the washer. And guys, if you're worried about having to use the restroom and having to take these all the way off, you don't have to worry. There is a large zipper right up front so that you can use the restroom with ease. These have great mobility. You can easily squat down, lift your leg up, bend over. There's no restrictions. So if you work outside in extreme conditions, or going to be outside a long time hunting, hiking, anything like that, and you're looking for a great way to stay warm and make sure that you're not going to get too cold, these heated overalls are the best ones that I've ever had.